Would you like to know about an awesome legal thriller by an Indian author? If yes, then keep watching this video. Hi guys, I'm Manpreet and I make book related videos on this channel. If you like books, make sure you subscribe and turn that bell notification button on so that you get notified whenever I post new videos. In today's video, I'm going to introduce you to a legal thriller which I recently read and absolutely loved, and I'm going to tell you a bit about it without giving away any spoilers because yes, all the books that I really like, I want everybody to read them. The book that I'm talking about is Unlawful Justice by Vish Dhamija. Now, this was a gift by Harper Collins, and the book, oh my god. There are some books that you hold and you know they're going to be good, and it is that sort of book. The story begins when this housemate's daughter gets raped and brutalized. It's a household of two very famous and good lawyers, Vansh and Priti. Now, Vansh doesn't want to fight this case, even when he's a criminal lawyer, because the culprit is the son of one of his biggest clients. And that's how the story begins. There's a dilemma that Vansh goes through, and whether he's going to fight the case or he will not fight the case. And then Preeti brings in another awesome lawyer, and how things unfold from there onwards. And rest you just have to find out by reading this book. Like right from the beginning of this book, it has been racing. Like I think like a thriller without the thrill portion cannot exist, and trust me, there are a lot of thrillers that exist like that. But this one is so awesome. Like right when you begin, you wanna keep reading this book. You just do not want to stop. You wanna just flip the pages. It's a totally page turning book that you will love. I want to begin with the writing style because that is one thing I totally loved about this author. Like, there is this simple way to explain things, but he makes it so beautiful, makes it look so attractive and nice. Like, even from the beginning, like, you flip the first page of the book, and I assure you that you will want to read this book. It's so good, and that's why I really liked his writing style. There were so many references, and the way he explained everything, it was so smooth and nice and interesting and enchanting. So writing style 5 out of 5, awesome. Like I would definitely want to read more books by this author. Like this author, you just know when you see an author with real writing talent, and he is one of them. Talking about the characters of this book, I loved the portrayal of each and every character. They seemed so real, so interesting. Like I was amazed how even the small characters like a rickshaw puller, you just really like reading about them, and that is so refreshing and nice because it just takes your reading experience to another level when the characters are so good that you really want to read about them. Discussing about the plot of this book, now I cannot give you much about the plot, but I can tell you that it's really, really good. The book begins with the crime part, there is emotional drama attached to it, there is an investigation happening which keeps you very interested, and then it goes to the court and there is courtroom drama as well. And I think it is one of the first legal thrillers I have read from India, and I love you know shows that involve all that lawyers and stuff, suits, how to get away with murder. All of those are my favorite shows. So I was absolutely amazed with this book. I was absolutely amazed with how everything was done. Overall, I think what makes this book special is how it was presented, and it could have been totally bad, but it was totally amazing because of the fact that writing and the portrayal of everything was so good. So if you are looking for a thriller from an Indian author, then I feel like you definitely should pick it up. It's like one of my favorites right now. Like I was so happy after finishing this book, like that feeling of fulfillment that you read a good book was there, and I gave it 4.5 out of 5 stars. It definitely deserves a 5, but I'm just being bad. But yes, guys, if you are into thrillers, then you should pick it up, and do let me know if you have already read it because I know you guys saw it in my book haul, and a lot of you commented that you loved it. So if you have read it, do let me know what you loved about it. If you haven't read it, I'm think you know what you need to do. But before that, make sure you hit a thumbs up to this video and make sure you share this video if you want to. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this review. I hope you like this recommendation. And I hope when you buy this book and read it, you love it to the core. And thank you so much for watching this video. This is Melby signing off. I'll be back with another video very soon.